A few years ago, two people started earning the same salary, same city, same age, same pressure. 10 years later, one is stressed, living paycheck to paycheck, blaming the economy. The other quietly owns assets, has options, and sleeps better. The difference wasn't luck, crypto, or some secret hustle. It was how hard they made money feel. One chose struggle mode. The other unknowingly switched life to easy mode. What if getting rich didn't require extreme intelligence, insane discipline, or sacrificing your life? What if you're just one framework away from making money feel lighter, calmer, and almost automatic? In this video, I'm breaking down simple but powerful shifts that move your life from financial hard mode to easy mode. By the end, you won't feel hyped. You'll feel clear about what to ignore, clear about what actually works, and clear about how to build wealth. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Number 1. Build systems that make money. Move without you. Wealth becomes effortless when money moves automatically, not emotionally. One quiet advantage financially successful individuals use is removing decision-making from the process. John Bogle, the creator of low-cost index funds, his philosophy was simple. Let automation, low fees, and time outperform human emotion. Investors following this system historically captured market returns without chasing trends or timing the market. Over decades, this method quietly built generational wealth. When income arrives and investments happen first, discipline becomes unnecessary. Compound growth begins working in the background while daily life continues. This is why automated investing often outperforms emotional stock trading. When systems are in place, wealth doesn't depend on mood, willpower, or perfect timing. It becomes predictable, and predictability is the foundation of easy mode wealth. Number 2. Buy cash flow, not applause. True wealth rarely announces itself. It grows quietly through assets that generate cash flow instead of attention. Warren Buffett, who famously avoided luxury lifestyles early in his journey while building income-producing businesses and long-term equity positions. His wealth didn't explode because of flashy purchases. It expanded because cash-producing assets kept compounding year after year. Assets that send regular income, quarterly dividends, rental cash flow, or bond interest change how life feels. Bills stop feeling urgent. Market volatility feels less threatening. Investment decisions become calmer and more rational. Ask yourself honestly, if earned income paused for 6 months, would your assets cover your expenses? When cash flow replaces dependence on salary, wealth starts feeling lighter, and that's when momentum accelerates. Number 3. Protect energy like a financial asset. Money decisions are rarely logical when energy is depleted. Stress, poor sleep, financial anxiety, and constant stimulation quietly sabotage long-term investing behavior. One overlooked advantage wealthy investors prioritize is mental and physical energy preservation. Emotional fatigue leads to impulsive decisions, abandoning long-term plans, or chasing short-term gains. That's why calm investors outperform reactive ones over time. A principle highlighted in the book, The Psychology of Money, explains that financial success has less to do with intelligence and more to do with emotional stability. The ability to stay invested during volatility is often the difference between average and extraordinary outcomes. By simplifying lifestyle choices, reducing unnecessary commitments, and maintaining low financial stress, energy becomes available for long-term thinking. Markets reward patience, not excitement. When expenses are controlled and income streams are diversified, bear markets feel like opportunities instead of threats. That emotional edge compounds just like capital. Number 4. Let time do the heavy lifting. Time is the most underappreciated financial multiplier. Wealth compounds exponentially, yet human intuition thinks linearly. This mismatch causes many to underestimate the power of staying invested for decades rather than years. The biggest mistake is waiting for perfect clarity before starting. Participation creates clarity, not observation. Markets reward those who stay invested across cycles, not those who attempt to outsmart volatility. Long-term investors who held through recessions historically outperformed those who exited and re-entered. Time smooths volatility. Patience captures growth. The uncomfortable truth is that delaying investment by even 5 years can cost hundreds of thousands in lost compounding. That loss rarely feels painful immediately, but it becomes obvious decades later. Ask yourself, are your financial decisions aligned with where you want to be 20 years from now, or just comfortable this year? When time becomes an ally, wealth stops feeling rushed. Number 5. Act before confidence shows up. Confidence doesn't come first, action does. Waiting to feel ready often delays progress indefinitely. Financial growth accelerates when small, imperfect steps begin early and compound through experience. A $1,000 investment teaches more than endless research because real capital triggers emotional learning. Market behavior becomes tangible. Risk tolerance becomes real. Lessons stick. Books like Atomic Habits emphasize identity-based change. When someone sees themselves as an investor, behaviors follow naturally. Small actions reinforce identity, and identity reinforces consistency. Starting with index funds, dollar-cost averaging, and broad asset allocation removes complexity. There's no need to master advanced stock market analysis to benefit from long-term equity growth. Simplicity often outperforms sophistication. The danger lies in over-preparation. Education without execution creates the illusion of progress while time quietly passes. A powerful question to sit with. Are you collecting information or building experience? Momentum begins when action replaces hesitation. Once invested, learning accelerates automatically and confidence follows naturally. Number 6. Delay lifestyle inflation strategically. Income growth creates opportunity, or traps. When spending rises in direct proportion to earnings, financial progress stalls silently. True wealth expands when investment growth outpaces lifestyle upgrades. Redirecting increased income into dividend stocks, retirement portfolios, or ETFs instead of immediate consumption compounds dramatically over time. What feels like a small sacrifice early becomes freedom later. Driving a paid-off vehicle while investing the difference may not look impressive, but the numbers tell a different story. Thousands invested monthly over decades turn into 7-figure portfolios through compound growth. Lifestyle flexibility is a hidden form of wealth. Lower fixed expenses reduce pressure, increase optionality, and allow aggressive investing during downturns. The question to reflect on isn't about deprivation. It's about timing. Are upgrades happening after assets are established or before? When investments grow first, lifestyle choices feel earned rather than stressful. Wealth becomes stable instead of fragile. Easy mode doesn't mean never enjoying life. It means enjoying it without financial anxiety attached. Respect risk more than returns. Returns attract attention. Risk determines survival. Long-term wealth grows when downside is managed before upside is chased. Diversification, emergency reserves, and proper asset allocation protect compounding from interruption. One poorly managed financial shock can erase years of disciplined investing. Prepared investors view market volatility as normal. They maintain liquidity and stay positioned to invest during corrections. Unprepared investors react emotionally and lock in losses. Risk management creates staying power. Staying power captures long-term market appreciation. A simple test reveals positioning. How would you respond emotionally if markets dropped 30% this year? Calm indicates preparation. Panic signals fragility. When risk is managed properly, returns take care of themselves over time. Number 8. Embrace boring strategies that quietly win. Extraordinary results often come from unexciting strategies. Index funds, dividend reinvestment plans, long-term equity portfolios, and tax-efficient investing lack drama, but they dominate outcomes. Historical data consistently shows that diversified passive investing outperforms frequent trading for the majority of participants. Consistency beats intensity. The desire for excitement usually leads to overtrading, higher fees, and emotional decisions. Boring strategies remove temptation. When investments grow quietly, attention shifts back to living, not monitoring charts. Ask yourself, are financial decisions driven by entertainment or effectiveness? Easy mode wealth favors patience over adrenaline. Number 9. Eliminate wealth leaks before chasing growth. Small inefficiencies compound negatively. High fees, unnecessary taxes, and poor fund selection quietly drain future wealth. A 1% difference in annual fees can reduce long-term portfolio value by hundreds of thousands. That loss never feels dramatic, it just quietly disappears. Low-cost funds, tax-advantaged accounts, and long-term holding strategies protect capital from erosion. Money saved from inefficiency compounds just like returns. Optimization isn't glamorous, but it's powerful. When leaks are sealed, growth accelerates without additional risk. Number 10. Shift identity before strategy. Lasting wealth is identity-driven. Seeing yourself as a long-term investor changes behavior automatically. Decisions align naturally with future outcomes. Spending becomes intentional. Investing becomes routine. Patience becomes normal. When identity shifts, discipline becomes unnecessary. The final question is simple yet transformative. Who are you becoming financially? Change that answer, and everything compounds differently. Easy mode wealth isn't about luck or shortcuts. It's alignment between systems, behavior, time, and identity. I believe that together, we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. If you're curious about the quiet signs you're building real wealth without knowing it, that's exactly what I cover in the next video. See you there.